Mwiroreri wa metha ya Kagoni uri mwega njitagwo Monica Kagoni now ni ukoretwo kinjuria atiriri Monica Promito ni makaga nyumba igetigagia mansions muthenya wa umuthi turenda go take through a bungalow, a 3-bedroom bungalow ikarire 128 square meters goku mwena wa Kiserian tokai nigetha tugie na a tour na tugutwarwo tour ino ni the CEO of Promito etagwo Jimmy Kagoni. Hodi.
Karibuni. Karibuni sana.
Hi.
Karibuni.
How are you?
Karibu sana.
This looks amazing.
Thank you very much.
Very beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
Woku gwetagwo mwena wa Kiserian. Karibu sana. Tukoretwo tugiaka this 3-bedroom house. Is a bungalow. Otogobera mwiroreri wa metha. This is a bungalow. What do you think about it?
I love it. No amenya gwitu teneri. Ketwambiririe na haha curtain. Hakoragwo na curtain box ya bao. Riu ndiramenyete kwina new design ya
rails.
Otiga rails. Then we came to rails. No rail enaja igakorwo ikionekana. Ndirona ino
hidden by the gypsum. The rails are hidden by the gypsum.
Exactly.
Very
nice and very beautiful and very stylish.
That tells you at the client witu riu ona ndarenda guikara ringi atokite tondu curtain ni ciake.
And they are so beautiful.
Curtain ni ciake. No ikwira te ndarenda guikara makiria uguo. So this is a 3-bedroom house. Is a bungalow. It's our own design. The client had requested for a 3-bedroom bungalow that is our own design. It is master en suite. Then the 2 other bedrooms are sharing the washroom. Then it has a sunken. A sunken living area, and a living area is sunken. So that once now you move from here, okay, you will feel you are getting to the dining area. All right. So this is the dining area. This dining area now fit a 6-seater. Go comfortably. And then you have an open kitchen.
An open kitchen.
This open kitchen that is here, to top we feel like it's a kitchen island. So it is serving both as a top for the kitchen, a kitchen island, and also a demarcation between the dining area and the kitchen area.
Wow.
They want to know how the shelves, the cabinet, the compartments, they are sufficient.
Siakuiga indo ciake ciothe.
Ungiona mundu ugukiria ta icio wena nyumba ya 3-bedroom ni gukwira hena mundu ungi neighbor menake ku maraiganira indo yake agiru no uko complete igana uguo. But they are sufficient.
They are very nice.
Very sufficient
and very beautiful. Nidenda the choice of
the MDF.
The MDF.
Oh,
yes.
You know.
Yes, very nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
All right.
Ni hakuiga riko.
Leo ni hakuiga riko. And you see we have done already the sockets and already to connected na power, so already kwena power. Ugo no riko yake aguka ekirite na no one already is a 60-inch. So now you can quite a big cooker. Then todru nyu anyu benore. This space behind here, netayo pantry area can only open, but also behind for cleaning. Enovu. Netayo pantry area, but also netayo storage area open. So what we have done negative to come in cross monore. You realize we did not complete how with the hake. Negative again that feeling of openness, but again still
very nice.
New design. Also trying to minimize. Now there is something I would want to show you. No one gauge ifatirere.
Ya murago.
Gauge yo. And no one even the rocks here to wikirite. That tells you the security
is guaranteed.
Ore hana.
Mundu uria urathura tutawa ri. Ni mwega.
Tūtū.
tūtū. Na even this one.
Tūtū tūcagũrĩtwo nĩ mũndũ wĩtagwo Ferista. So what we do ona twakinya hĩndĩ ya matawa rĩ, tũkũrequestaga rĩu tũgũtũmagĩra mbica itiganĩte. We as a client ũka-approve ukauga kana nĩ ũkwenda matawa macio kana you know design iyo kana ĩrĩ kwĩgũgũkenia, that kind of a thing.
But this one is very beautiful.
Rĩu project manager wake ararĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Ferista. Rĩu nĩwe kurora gũkũ na aga-confirm akamũria, do you want that kind of design? Tondũ client tũtikwenda ũtire no kũmũikĩria na mbica agacagũra.
So this
is
be
the master bedroom. Na nĩwona nginyagia the wardrobe, the size of the wardrobe na ũrĩa hana. So mainly haha ũguo nĩguo kũiga the carrier bags or traveling bags. No fit iria ũngĩenda gũkũ ũguo na tũkamwĩkĩrĩra sliding. Then equally also the same gũkũ nakuo tũkamwĩkĩrĩra sliding doors. Nĩ cia ngũ iria angĩenda gũcuria that space.
Ta njĩra atĩrĩ Jimmy, advantage thikũ ici nĩ ndĩrona andũ aingĩ makĩopt for sliding doors. Advantage ĩkoragwo kĩ?
The advantage nĩ atĩ you don't need to keep opening. So no ũkorwo rĩngĩ the space tondũ the opening ici ingĩ cia kũhingũra rĩ nĩ kũrĩa space, lock it this way, lock it that way. So this one you just need to know kũringana na ũrĩa ũbangĩte indo ciaku rĩ nĩ ũramenya ta rĩu ũguo for instance shati ciĩ mwena ũyũ. So once you slide it like that nĩ ũkũhota gũcagũra kĩrĩa gĩgĩte and then you later close it. Kwĩna nginyagia rĩu andũ matarenda even anything
ĩgakorwo ĩrĩ open.
Ĩgakorwo ĩ open, you leave it as open nĩgetha ĩgakũhe ka feel ta boutique spaces. Wona boutique wona wathiĩ the clothes are just open so you are able to choose.
Like this space is open.
Like now this one is open. Where you know wahota kũbanga you know things like jeans, t-shirts, you know wahota kũbanga and then gũkĩrĩ na some drawers below there. Agĩikia either some could be documents, others need to socks, you know, all that no fage. Even for aeration. Then and you know also tondu insects tanye generation shedete kundu kwi very dark. So you also check that you don't do that. Then wauma hau ri, this is the master bath area. It is the master. It is the master bath. Na glass door yayo.
Na glass door.
Tukamwĩkĩrĩra nginyagia rĩu shower. Newe no. And I think even the water is already there. Connected. It's a functional home.
Nĩwatigĩtie kũingĩra. Nice.
Even the toilet is all functional. Hakĩrĩ na sink ya haha which can be used, you know, ya gũtũma kĩoro kĩu gĩtuĩke complete such that even for toothbrushes, toothpaste na kĩ ndũgũbatara gũthiĩ. Otherwise that's why it is a master bedroom. Ũkangonie these two other bedrooms that are here.
Wauga ici nĩ irashare.
So one bedroom nĩwe ĩno. This is the bedroom.
Rĩu ĩno ĩna
the traditional
doors.
But we could also choose to put the other type comfortably. Not we know in this type of doors. And not to choose kila icio iki. Then from there, so this is one bedroom.
This is the other bedroom. Oh, thank you.
Ona gauge ya dirisha icio, the quality.
Yeah.
Uri hana. All right.
Wow.
Okay. Now, then come and see this other. This is the other bedroom. Right? Now, equally you can see to
wardrobe a bit from one end
to end. Exactly. Exactly.
Wow.
You see?
Wow.
Very spacious. Tuka make sure ati raini yo yothe ri no andũ uguo gutire mundu ungi complain ati space yo ti njega. Then tukamwĩkĩrĩra tiles ici nĩ cia 400 by 400. What do you think about the paint work?
I love it. Iratuma one is very smooth.
Yeah.
Ndũngĩkora kũndũ kwĩna mahagara. Skimming is very well done.
Even the final polish.
Yeah.
Nĩnjĩkĩre wega.
Yeah. Then the choice of color igatuma nyũmba ĩyo ĩtuĩke very elegant. I think white has a way of gũtuma nyũmba yumĩre kaũndũ gathaka.
This is actually not even pure white. is clean.
Cream.
No yekate do ekumira na wathaka kau. So then this is the shared washroom.
For the two bedrooms.
For the 2 bedrooms. Na noame na equally.
With a glass door.
With a glass door or enclosed. They shared but for the 2 bedrooms. So this is a 3-bedroom, I think 128 square meters.
Jimmy. Now, what may classify under which category? Because I realize the glass doors area wikirite ishi sinks.
You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. This is actually standard.
This is standard.
This is standard house.
No.
No
way.
Standard house. It's a poor one, but this is actually now standard.
This is a standard house.
Yes, this is a standard house.
Na matawa maya.
Even the
tosh darora tawo weha haiguru.
This is standard.
Wow.
This is standard. So what we did we realized the budget was near the Kageria, so we had to improve it all, but we were actually within the standard. Na nyumba ino niko ratu kiendu muno. I'll show you another one like this one. Tura handover oro muthi. Nyumba ino nimwe last year nitura andu aria ingi turakagira makagira 4 bedroom. This year most of the people makira 3 bedroom. I don't know, otugika region citu tukaria so many people are actually opting for 3 bedroom or rather ni grant ya 3 bedroom magiukirite mari ingi muno but makora riu namo mao kama gacagura. This is a peach house. Na ni ukumiona wona ndakonia jari ni ukuona is actually a peach house. So this is the house and now from here no wire eroreri yaku uria wone hana
no uri
ungienda kumari komendera.
The design ya murango very nice. Very nice. Ni murango very heavy. So eno Jimmy neta eroreri yakwa makoretwo makijira okay mundu wa middle class nake whether there's something for them neta range ya how much?
Well, ndienda kugwetera kamera inini mbeca cigana but nyendaga mundu ekire mathabu nigetha ugie na idea roughly ni ta mbeca cigana. So this is 128 square meters. Mwako ta uyu ri ungirinjira 50,000 per square meter.
Per square meter.
Riu we wike mathabu ma 50,000 na 128 wone roughly ni ta mbeca cigana. Tondu njaga kuga uguo tondu there are so many other factors na variables thiini wa mwako. Tari for instance guku ni ngomu. Nyumba ino tungimiaka Malindi. A lot will have changed. The location, proximity of materials, many other things will have changed. Okay. Kwitu undu tuingi muno tucoka tugace. Riu kwi mundu ungienda tumirikiririe na wall master. Rangi uyu ni weather guard silicone. No uria umirite wega. Umirite
kindu githaka muno.
Riu hata gwicirio na ni wall master. So there are so many other factors that will change. No mundu no akikira mathabu 128 square meters with 50,000. Na gwiraga nyendaga mundu ona agathi internet ni ugathi ukarora what is the cost of construction per square meter in Kenya. Igakwira In fact, we pride ourselves with that kind of a budget. We pride ourselves to be some of the most competitive when it comes to prices.
Okay. Wajira ni peach. Peach ni kuga mafati.
Ni mafati. Ni akuwa ni roofed, ni kuga ti flat.
Na ni fati muthemba uriko.
Riu riri ni versatile.
Versatile. Ugacoka ni wikirite gutters all around.
All around. There is gutter all around.
Ni part ya uria wakagira mundu kani mundu kwiyendera kiro.
Ni ginyagia gutter ni part of the house na ginyagia gwikira mai macio itangi-ini.
Uguo mari uguo.
Uguo mahana. It's part of what we are going to give you. In other words, we turenda ukiona nguo ciaku. We uingire nyumba yaku ambiririe kumihuthira.
Wow.
Yes.
This is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's very beautiful. Tukone ndirona ni very well lit. Matawa mekire ni ma wikirite
competition for the rights nĩ nyingĩ cia kũigana nĩgetha ũtheri ũkorwo wĩ mũingĩ nĩgetha rĩu mwene haha rĩ tũtiendaga mũno kũngĩhotekeka ndakanoke na bundi ũngĩ kuongerera kĩndũ kĩngĩ ĩtuĩke nĩ complete rĩu nĩ tũramwarĩria tũkamwĩra handũ haha rĩ no twende gwĩkĩrĩra cabros rĩu nake nĩ arethukia one kana kĩndũ tũngĩongerera nĩgetha tũkĩongerere ũthaka ũcio wa cabros haha nja tũrenda kũmwĩra no tũmwĩkĩre cabros haha ũguo na no tũmwĩkĩre a bit of landscaping haha ũguo oka with a small budget na tondũ tũtirenda mbeca ciothe rĩ tũrenda uge ciongererwo eroreria kuria wona kohana
atiriri this is a very beautiful house mwiroreri ni undu wa we ukoretwo gika mathabu ma bungalow ni tuona the bungalow a 3-bedroom bungalow sitting on a 128 square meters. The master bedroom of course is en suite na cio bedroom icio igigiri shiga share bathroom ni wona kitchen tops ni granite. I actually thought standard ikiragwo tiles.
No, we have improved. When we realized that the budget can still allow within that budget, without extra cost.
Na ni wana wardrobes icio ni very big, very spacious. Nguo ciaku ciothe ni cikuiganira hau, cia ciana ni ikuiganira hau. So you're spoilt for choice walking in these types of houses mwiroreri, and of course ni waigwa ithabu rĩrĩa ũrabatara gwĩka 50,000 times akorwo nyumba ĩno ikarire 128 square meters ndwakĩgĩa na ithabu rĩaku. So mwiroreri kĩrĩa ũrabatara gwĩka tũraugire ndũkarereke kea gĩaku gĩikare idle. Ni wona gĩkĩ rĩu it's not idle anymore. Nginyagia kũngĩtuĩka gũtirĩ maĩ promito maragwĩkĩrĩra even the gutters na matangi no orarehe
rimwe ni current urongereire but already ours was within one.
So buradire uragira ni uritahaga mai ma water your flowers and nyeki yaku ĩrĩa ũkũhanda. So mwiroreri this is it tũraugire kea gĩtigaikare kĩrĩ idle no kea gĩaku wĩtĩkĩre gĩtuĩke gĩa ku develop and all that you need no ku raise 30% ya mbeca iria cirabatarĩkana then Promito will finance you na the rest of 70% na mũkũiguithaniria urihage kahora kahora ihinda rĩrĩa mũkũiguithaniria nĩrĩo ũkũrĩha mwiroreri. And also tũraugire handũ ha kũrĩhaga rent rĩ kai mbeca icio utangĩkorwo kĩrĩha rĩu towards financing ya nyumba yaku ĩyo ũraheo nĩ Promito wĩ gwaku. By the way ũhandagĩrwo nyumba wariha 30%, right?
Yes.
So 70% urariha wĩ gwaku. All right. So mwiroreri na mbere tũrabatara kũhũra ya thimũ nĩgetha we wambĩrĩrie your customer journey ya gũtuĩka a home owner. Kagoni nĩ ũgũtũhe namba
0729 506 506.
Haya.
Tũratwĩkire nĩ andũ mena twana twĩrĩ kana tũtauga mũndũ rekĩra ta tūtū nĩ mũndũ ũgĩtwo nĩ maũndũ ekĩra twana tũratũ ta tũtũ nĩ ciana igĩrĩ kana ithatũ mũciĩ matirĩ raha matirĩ horo wa haihi nĩ kwamba kwĩyũmĩrĩria ũrĩa maica mekũmatindĩka nĩ thirikari bũrũri ũhana.